Welcome back to Level Up Lawyer, where we help legal professionals streamline their practice management and expand their marketing strategies. Today's topic is crucial for every law professional: the follow-up fallacy, automating updates without losing the personal touch. Lawyers managing client communication effectively it's an ongoing challenge. While we know that maintaining a connection with clients is essential, the daily grind can lead us into what we call the follow-up fallacy. This fallacy is the belief that automating client updates leads to impersonal service. So let's break this down. Automation may sound cold or mechanical, but when done right, it becomes your unsung hero. Imagine having a system in place that handles routine communications, freeing you up to focus on more personalized, meaningful interactions. Automation can handle reminders, confirmations, and even basic updates, ensuring clients always feel informed without you having to lift a finger. The secret to successful automation is customization. Use tools that allow you to segment your client base. What does that mean? It means creating groups based on case types or client needs and tailoring updates accordingly. A personal touch doesn't have to be manual. It simply has to be relevant and empathetic. Moreover, you can design automated messages that still convey warmth and empathy. Use language that reflects your firm's values and personalize messages with client names and specific details. This kind of personal attention communicates care and concern, reminding your clients that they are more than just numbers in a database. Another vital aspect of effective automation is incorporating feedback. Ask your clients what they think about the frequency and content of the updates. Engage them in conversation about how they prefer to be communicated with. Feedback loops not only improve your practice, but showcase your dedication to client satisfaction. So how do we avoid the follow-up fallacy? By leveraging automation smartly, you can bridge efficiency and empathy. Your clients will receive timely information while you have the bandwidth to offer deep, personalized service when it matters most. If you're ready to enhance your practice with smart automation, explore our Automation Blueprint Challenge at levelupLawyer.com/challenge. For a more personalized approach, book a no-obligation consultation with our team at levelupLawyer.com/consultation. Let us help you maintain that crucial personal touch with efficiency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, continue leveling up your practice with innovation and care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more valuable content.